Hi, my name is John Riggio. I am the CEO and owner of John Riggio RA Architect. I provide architectural services in the New Jersey, New York, and Pennsylvania area. I can help you with any architectural design project you're interested in. Yes, the different kinds of projects that we work on here are residential, commercial, industrial, retail, medical, and other kinds of projects, including apartment houses, commercial buildings. I can work on any variety of projects. Many house projects, they would vary in size, maybe between 1,000 square feet to 5,000 square feet. And commercial projects can vary anyway from renovating your office to maybe 20,000 square foot building. So I work on a variety of projects, and they include all the different residential and commercial buildings. The projects are always in the contemporary styles. If local codes requirement, of course, it would meet any architectural style required, landmarks, historical requirements, things like that. As far as other things of the jobs I work on, I could also help you with other things like if you had violations, you are subdividing property, and you need a variance. You need to go to the Zoning Board of Appeals. I work on those jobs too. I can help you with those kind of projects. So I work on a variety of jobs, particularly for architect construction, building construction, and I can help you with any of those kind of projects. I work on a variety of jobs, medium-sized projects, small projects, very large projects. So if you have any interest in inquiring about those jobs, you can give me a call, referral, and then we can review your project and we can proceed from there. To contact my office, you can go to my webpage at www.johnriggio.com, which is www.johnriggio.com. And there you can find my portfolio, my contact information, other examples of my work. I have photographs, some videos of 3D renderings of my projects. From there, you can then contact me. We can make an appointment, and I can sit down with you. We can review your project. I can tell you how you can design your job. And of course, we will go over all kinds of things with fees, have a contract, and as we proceed with your project, over the few months, we can then design your project. I would make construction drawings. And from there, as your project is constructed, of course, I'll meet you at the job site. We will review how the construction is. And then I will help you to finish your project and you will obtain your certificate of occupancy. My name's John Riggio. I'm the architect. This is my office here at 172 Main Street in Metuchen, New Jersey. The zip code is 08840. I'm here at the front entrance. Here, listen, this is the job, a 10-day report that we're going to go into the field and take a look at today. This is the set of drawings. This is 10 drawings. It's for a brand new house here. This shows the plot plan. And on here we have the general notes, building characteristics, site calculations, the energy calculations, structure requirements. We have the permits, inspections, list of drawings. And this, of course, is the basic information for the job on the title block. Showing my office name, showing the project, the title. Of course, I have my project number here. Who drew the drawings, the scale, the date of the job, and the drawing numbers. This is standard on every project, and of course my seal and signature for New Jersey. So this here is going to show each sheet of drawings showing the cellar plan, the first floor plan, and we go through with the title block. And we have here the next floor is the second floor with the roof. Let's head over to show some elevations. This is the proposed house before construction. It's a 5,000 square foot house, brand new, has new superior walls for the foundations. And we show here the required details to construct the house, including some house sections, some details. Then we have a riser diagram, so you have a plumbing diagram, water, gas risers. Of course, we have our basic electrical panel with wiring. Then we have our mechanical, which is for the heating and cooling system on the house. So this is showing the air diffusers and things like that. And this is the structural framing for the new wood framing. We're using I-joists on this project because a lot of spans are very long on here. So we're using the newest and best technology for the floor. We're in a custom constructed offsite, and they brought them here and they put them together. So these are specially made stairs. Specification, they're very nice curved stairs, and we'll take a look at them in 2 seconds. Now this is the front entrance with a door. It's like an iron door, and it's very nicely detailed. So this here, as we enter in, this is the front entrance, a full double height entrance. And then you see we have the different spaces here. This is the entertainment room. The media room is going to be on the right side. Install some special equipment that's going to go on the ceiling. Then this here is the traditional living room. This is the formal living room, and it walks over to the dining area and then to the kitchen. And this here, as we enter in here, we're going to walk through and we're going to enter into a family room, which has a large double height space with curved walls. And I think we can probably just walk right in the middle here. So I think from here you can see the curved wall. And you have the windows, the vertical windows here. Everything is insulated. And it goes up and there's skylights above. There's a whole line of skylights with an overhanging balcony. It's a large room. This is their everyday family room, gathering area. Now over here is the kitchen. Open window, you can look into the kitchen area. And we have these special doors. We have a set of special doors that get completely open up in the summertime, and we're going to have the deck inside. You can walk out to the deck. This is the outside kitchen is over in here with the breakfast area. And then in this room is the formal dining. Now right next to the formal dining area is really their prayer room. This is their prayer room area. This is the formal dining room with the bay window facing this side of the house. I think you can just notice some things. That you can notice the large structure, the 2x6 walls. We have glue layer beams and I-joists in the ceiling. So everything is really with the best materials, the highest technology on the materials. And this is showing those I-joists going across here. You have the glue layer beams, and this is a thicker 2x6 wall, a very high ceiling. So I think from here we could head over just to take a look at the mudroom and the extra bedroom. It's just one last piece on the floor. That was the media room in here. And then here is the extra bedroom. This is like the guest bedroom, which has its own bath. It's showing here the shower pan. And then over here has a walk-in closet, so they have their own walk-in closet, and this is their bedroom. With the double window over here, large emergency escape windows. We have the central air coming through. And then here, just to finish off this part of the house, this is the mudroom. So you enter from the garage, you park your car, you have your mudroom, you have your toilet room over here. And from here, we're going to walk upstairs to the second floor. So the master bedroom is comprised of the whole left side of the house. We have here the main room, sliding glass doors with sidelight windows, and it goes on to the balcony on this side. You can see the room is very large, 2 windows, which is where the bed would go in the middle. We have here the recessed lighting detail, skylight over here. And from here, you would then walk into the large areas of the master bath, which would have the pan shower, whirlpool, 2 lavatories, and a toilet area. And this here we have 2 walk-in closets. So from here we also have a hall where you walk down and you could walk into the balcony area. And from the balcony area, you could then walk out and see the rear yard. And this whole rear yard was completely cleaned up also during the construction of this house. It is now completely leveled, regraded, so now there is no water problem. Water drainage is working very good. I think from here you could also look over, you see the 2-car garage and the curve of this family room. See the curve of the family room over here. And this is the terrace that is really over the breakfast room downstairs. So from here, from the bedroom, you can walk out and you can sit on the terrace here. It's a very nice space. It's covered, it has a roof over it. So you're not here out in the rain. And it's, so you get a nice experience. Now from here, we'll head over, we'll stop off at the front balcony and we'll head over to the kids' rooms on the other side of the house. And this here is the front entrance. This is the balcony over the front entrance. Has the columns in the front. And we have a whole covered overhang, and we're looking out over the front yard of the entrance. And we can see the balconies to the side. We have another door on this side, so you could sit here, you can walk around, go around the front entrance. And this is the window that's looking into the lobby. And you see it has a nice curve here. And I think you can take a look at some private details. There's some private details here. And we have some recessed lighting. Give us some nice lighting. So this is going to light up very nice in the evening time. And has a very nice curved front. They get the detail on the curved front. I'm going to put it right. Okay, so from the entrance, this side is now, the right side of the house is the kids' room. This is the children's room. Okay, so from here we're going to the front part of the house. Okay, so we have the same idea on this side. We have the balcony. It has a small balcony here with some skylight windows. And it has the basic bedroom here. It's a nice sized room. A window over here. And from here, this room has its own bathroom. So this is going to have a hand shower, toilet, lavatory, and over here we're going to have a walk-in closet and some nice detailing in the ceiling with the lighting, skylight in the room too, and central air and heating. So from this side, we give head across to the other bedroom, and on this side we have the same idea where we have the bedroom, skylight. We have the balcony with a sliding door, window, and the same thing with the bathroom and closet. So that finishes out the second floor in the structure. So watch this. So I think there's a few things about this house that we wanted to take a look at. One of them is the superior wall foundation. I think you can see here that this is a sandwich of metal, has concrete on the outside, inside the metal pieces, and this is foam. And it says right here, superior walls, extra insulation plus. So this is the foundation that was put in. They had these made in pieces at a factory, and they came here and they pieced them together with a crane. And that's how this is the new foundation system. And on top of that is a slab is put on top of this. And this is how the new foundations are made. I think this is one piece of the foundation was really this corner piece. They were able to put it in different pieces of angles for the corner detail. And then here the rest of it is basic wood framing, where we have a base plate, we have the eye joists for the floor. And then I think there's some things about this particular house. You see we have very large linear beams with columns. And this is a very large house. It spans across. We have 2 lines of columns on this house. And with that, we have all the different systems in here, the mechanical system, we have the piping system. One thing particularly to this area is we also have a water drainage system, which has piping that is coming around the whole perimeter with gravel. It's going into a water pump and then it's heading out into the street. And that is one particular thing that they have here. And so this whole thing has a new system, has gravel is underneath the foundation. And I think from here it's this very large open space. This is around the stair details. And you can see this whole beam is coming right across the house. This is the mechanical system. So this is all high efficiency units. We have a high efficiency HVAC system, high efficiency hot water heater. They no longer need a chimney, they're just going to have a PVC. It's going right out the house. I think you see the PVC is pictured right there. And this has some extra large windows for the cellar. It is a full height cellar. And from here we could also see the detail in the back. This is the foundation that is below the family room with the curved wall. And this is done with the whole thing with the superior walls. They were able to make the curved wall without a problem. And then from here we have an exit stair goes to the rear yard. Same thing, the walls here are made from superior walls they're put in place, and the stair is going to go to the outside. So this is really the cellar floor. It's a large open space, and it came out really good. Okay, so now we're in the backyard of the house at 10 David Court in Edison, New Jersey. And from here, we're going to take a look at the curved wall, the family room, and some of the other building elements that are getting finished at this time. And also where I'm standing here, the whole yard was completely regraded. They originally had a big sloping yard. It was uneven, and the whole yard has completely been regraded, solving all the water issues. And now the foundation is located higher than where the property line originally was. So now all the grading issues are solved, water problems are solved, and we can just take a look at the house over here. I think you can see this nice rear of the house here has a nice curved back, has the skylights on top, and then we have the symmetrical roof details here. This time we have the big terrace here for the master bedroom. We have those doors that open up for the summertime, the deck. And on the left side you can see the children's bedroom with the balcony. And this is the 2-car garage that we were entering into the house before. That's attached to the house with the interior door. And then you can see the driveway that's leading from the circular driveway in the front. And here's where you come back here and park the cars. You park them on the side of the house. And this is the whole parking area. And I think from here you could also see the nice leveled out yard that's completely been renovated. If you looked at the neighbor's property, you see how some of them are uneven yards. there is a slope for drainage, just it isn't as steep and uneven as before. So all the problems were solved over here. So I think over here you can see the little offset of the garage. So it gives a nice look. And then we have the 3 symmetrical windows down there, and the basic windows for the other rooms. Then we have this little detail here where we have the meeting and media room in the entrance.